Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm gonna show you a soft, sparkly lilac makeup look with a wing liner. I know you guys like it when I do a lilac eye look, so today I wanted to do a glittery one since I haven't done a lilac glitter eye look yet. So, can't wait for you guys to see how I created this. Now the first thing I did was primer my eyelids, and I'm using the MAC Cosmetics paint pot in the color Soft Ochre, which is my personal favorite. So I'm gonna apply this all over my eyelid to remove the redness, and this will also make sure that my eyeshadow will last longer. Now I'm gonna go in with this Huda Beauty Matte and Metal, I believe is it called. So it has a purple matte side and also a shimmery side. So I'm gonna use the matte side and apply it all over my eyelid. So first I used the applicator and applied it, and then I went in with a Sigma Beauty E25 brush and just kind of blending everything out. Also to make sure that the edges look a little bit more softer. So just swiping my brush back and forward until I'm satisfied with how everything's looking. You can also go back in with another layer and make it even more purple, but I thought it actually looked quite good, so I'm just gonna keep it how it is currently. So I just blended a little bit more, and then I went in with the Lilac palette from Natasha Denona. Well, it's actually not called the Lilac palette, the Pastel palette. So it has all these beautiful pastel colors, so I wanted to use this shimmery color because it kind of looks similar to the glitter that I will be using. So I used that all over the eyelid as well. Then here I go in with some glitter. I will link the name of this specific glitter in the description bar in case you're curious. So I used a flat blending brush with a little bit of glitter adhesive on it, and then I dipped it into the glitter and then pressed it on the eyelid. The glitter adhesive that I used is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is a transparent one, which is really nice. So I just went in a few times with more glitter to build up the glitter payoff. Then I went in with some eyeliner. I used the eyeliner from Huda Beauty. It's actually one of my favorites. However, I do like to go on top of it with a other eyeliner as well, because I noticed whenever I use like eyeliners like this one that has like a tip, I always call it like a eyeliner pen. When I photograph, it always doesn't really look that good for some reason. My personal favorite eyeliner is like, if you do a wing liner, first you go in with a gel eyeliner, and then on top of that you use a super liquidy eyeliner. You can see I now also went on top of it with a liquid eyeliner, and it just makes it look so much more black, and it just photographs so much better. On a daily basis, when I do my makeup, I'm not that picky when it comes to makeup because I don't photograph my makeup on a daily basis. So then I really like the Huda Beauty liquid liner because it's easy to use, it has a precise point, so it just works very easy. But when I don't, so then it's good for me, that's what I wanted to say. But when I film videos, I'm always more picky on how it looks on camera, how it photographs, so then I like to layer it and it will look more black. So now after using the eyeliner and using a little bit of concealer to make everything look more perfect, I also used that same purple as I used all over the eyelid and blended this underneath the lower lash line. Therefore in my waterline, I'm going to go in with this Creme gel pencil, which is by Colourpop. It has a similar, well, it's not really similar, but it has a similar like lilac-y soft purple undertone. So using this for the waterline to keep everything in the same color undertone, I think it looks super cute. Then I used a basic super light shimmery color. You can use any color that you like. You can also go in with a golden or your highlighter that you normally use. Just pop a light color in your inner corner. Then for my mascara, I went in with the Maybelline Sky High Mascara, which is one of my personal favorites. Today my lashes were not looking that great, I think because there was a lot of the liquid liner that I used stuck in my lashes. So it was really clumpy because of that, but I was not too worried about it because I am going in with false lashes anyway. But I do want to mention that because they look super clumpy. So I kind of went out of focus, so I'm sorry for that. I should have zoomed out a little bit more. But I went in with some quite dramatic lashes, and you can also rock this eye look with only mascara. But I personally don't really like my own natural lashes. They're almost non-existent. So I feel like lashes definitely finish us off the whole eye look and just makes it look even more glamorous. But of course you don't have to. So yeah, this is the final result. I really hope you all like how it turned out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys!
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit